Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. There are various ways to add a fog effect to your images and create a mysterious hazy atmosphere. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the easiest and best methods, so please stay with me. Welcome to another video on your own channel, Resource Boy. I'm Mary and I'm very happy to be with you today. We're going to quickly dive into the tutorial, but before we start, please subscribe to our channel and check out the videos already uploaded on the channel. I'm sure there are plenty of useful videos for you. So to add a fog effect to your images, the first step is to open an image in Photoshop. For example, I've selected this image which already has a bit of a blurry effect, but I want to make the fog effect much more prominent in my work, so I chose this image. And to get started, first download this valuable package, extract it, and once extracted you'll see something like this. Various fog textures in 4K quality, allowing you to create high quality images from them in the easiest way possible. So to start, let's go to one of these images. I'll start with for instance image number 3. Open it in Photoshop and adjust its size a little, just like this. It really depends on your taste, but if you're wondering what happens with the black background, it's very simple. Just change the blending mode from normal to screen in its layer panel and just see how beautifully the background automatically fades. And here we have the fog effect. So you can decrease the opacity or use Ctrl and J to duplicate it and increase the effect. So I'll leave it as it is and move on to the next image. Now let's open image number 16. So I want to use it at the bottom. Again, change the mode to screen, and now we have the effect right here. I think it should be a little bigger, so I'll adjust the size just like this. I want a heavy fog effect in the front of my image, so I'll reduce the opacity a bit and move on to the next image. So this time let's open image number 17. I'll resize it and again just change the mode to screen. You might need to enlarge the size a little. So you might notice a line right here. To remove it, just click on this part and a mask will be applied to your image. Then you just need to simply select a soft brush, choose a large size, set the color to black, and just paint over the line. As easy as you see, it will disappear beautifully. And now I can adjust the fog effect where I think is best. So I think it's perfect right here. Now let's move on to another image. Change the mode to screen again. Here we go. So I think it's perfect. Now I can see a beautiful fog right here. Honestly, it's brilliant. Let's take a look at the changes we've made so far. Honestly, it looks amazing. So you can continue doing this as much as you like and have various fog textures in your image. You're totally free. So I want to have this fog right here, and I think it's perfect. I'm just going to reduce the opacity a little, and with Alt and drag get one more copy of it. I can also have one more right here at the bottom. I'm going to just increase the size, and honestly, it's brilliant. Just check out the effect we have up to now. And now I'm going to just create one single group and name it group for all of our fog textures. So this was our overall fog effect. But now to make it much more better, it's better to add some adjustments and change the colors a bit. So first of all, I'll start with hue saturation. Images that are blurry tend to be a bit washed out, so the warm tones aren't visible. I'm going to decrease the saturation a bit so you can see the change right here. I think a value of -30% looks great. So since I have yellow tones in my image, I select the yellow color range and just see how easy right here. I can control it. You can move it towards bluish hue to make the atmosphere feel cooler and make the image look more realistic. So I'll increase the saturation again, and you can see the change right here, just like this. And honestly, it's very realistic. So now I'll add a photo filter effect, and this time I'm going to set the color to cyan. This gives the image a cool tone. I need to reduce the opacity a bit, and I think 40% opacity is a perfect number. You can see the change here, and I think it looks much more better. And finally, oh guys, check out but that this adjustment is different for different photos. It depends on your photo, which you can have a complete control. And finally, I think a color balance can make the image look even more attractive. I'll start with shadows and adjust the values until I get the look I want. And this is the final change. And now the image looks more realistic and beautiful. Just check out the difference. And that's it. You can easily add a fog effect to your image. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, we'd be so happy if you liked the video, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, please visit resourceboy.com. We have tons of exclusive products here that you can use in your projects. So don't forget to see the next video. Take care and goodbye.